So Nagambi, Nyangang Anik Sharon Sims, Darrow Nai, Gadigal Guli Noranong Nalamanyang, Gamma Maringay Darawalanga.
Bajri, Kamaroa Tubagali. G'day. Bienvenidos. Bienvenue. Willkommen. Welcome.
A very warm and sincere welcome to you to Gadigal. No matter where you've come from, whether it be across the seas, across the state or across town, once again, a very warm and sincere welcome to you to Gadigal.
World Heritage is not an exercise in national pride or national competition. It's not a World Cup of history. It's right there in the name. It's World Heritage.
We like to start each day with paying respects to our country, and by doing that, that means that we become part of our country.
I've got a little bit of rope here and two pieces of bark, and I'm making a little bit of rope. And I tell this story often, that when we work together humbly and respectfully and patiently, that we can become strong.
It is a pleasure to be here in Sydney, and this is especially true for me as a Jordanian, because what is perhaps not very well known is that Australia had a hand in the birth of the modern state of Jordan.
Heritage changes. The concept of heritage is a mirror reflecting our journey through history. It shifts, transforms, and expands, bearing witness to what we as a society value most.
I'm enjoying this the most in the Blue Mountains and scenic world we're at, so it's great, yeah. And David explaining the Aboriginal culture stuff, that's fantastic, yeah, great.
This is fantastic, scenic. I've been calling it Scenic Wonderland, and my enthusiasm, it's actually called Scenic World, but this is really cool.
A fantastic experience, meeting a lot of friends from ICOMOS and also visiting Sydney here. The venue was fantastic, and it was really a lot of effort put forward by ICOMOS Australia to organize this conference here. So I would say a fantastic experience.
Fantastic. mainly because it's well organized, but also because it was a chance to meet up with friends from afar in one venue without having to travel to all their places.
So the conference has really been organized very well. I was surprised how convenient it was at all the sites we had meetings.
I like the symmetry between the Sorensen Garden and the Utzon Opera House too. I think that, I'm sure that wasn't thought through, but well, it may have been. But it's an interesting coincidence of two Danish designers.
Oh, well, just amazing reconnections with all the people. It's been extraordinary.
It was really great to hear from a lot of different people speaking from different parts of the conservation and heritage, but all coming together under this one theme. And, you know, I don't want to say one nation, but we're all we're all connected together.
See heritage moving forward, as it always does, even despite the conflicts and problems of our current world. It's been a really seminal experience for me.
Complete fabulousness, just to see everything come alive, to see the amazing people who delivered the papers that Dennis is talking about, to see people's enjoyment on their face, to be in the Heritage Exposition, to go to the Youth Forum, to go to Luna Park, amazing.
The most fun part of the conference so far, seeing your colleagues and friends scream on roller coasters was always a good time.